we are discussing about the last topic in this chapter and also important for 8 marks question, but it is divided into 2 parts. Now I am discussing about the first part. Energy stored in capacitor. Energy stored in capacitor. Now what is a capacitor definition? A device stores the charges in it in the form of uniform electric field at a low potential. Potential is a work. Stores the charges in the form of uniform electric field. It is a force. Okay, in that one we are used work and force. Okay. Once again, what is a capacitor? It is a device stores the charges in it in the form of uniform electric field at low potential. Now if we can add additional charges, potential is increases, means work is increases. That work is stored in it in the form of energy, but which energy? Potential energy. That's why we can say energy stored in capacitor. Now this stored energy in the capacitor is expressed in 3 forms. The mathematical equation energy stored in the capacitor is expressed in 3 forms. Now we want to derive that 3 forms. One is in terms of Q comma C. Q means charge, C means capacity. Second form in terms of C comma V. C means capacity, V is potential. And a third form in terms of Q comma V. Q is charge, V is potential. Now let us see how we can solve that equation. Work done to add dq charges, small amount of the charges. Work done to add dq charges to the capacitor is, how we can write the work? Charges are less, that's why dw is equal to v into dq. What is the v? Potential. Work, small amount of the work, dw is equal to v into dq. We know the definition of capacity. C is equal to q by v. From that, v is equal to q by c, like this, cross multiplication like this, v is equal to q by c. Now work done to add dq charges to the capacitor is dw is equal to v into dq, and dw is equal to, instead of v, what we can take? Q by c into dq. Total work done to add q charges, here dq but here q charges to the capacitor is stored in the form of potential energy U. Total work done to add q charges to the capacitor is stored in the form of potential energy. Symbol is U. U is equal to total work integration, integral dw is equal to integral q by c dq. Okay, integral dw is how much? W. 1 by c is common, q dq. What is the value of integral q dq? Q square by 2. So what is answer? U is equal to half q square by c. This is the energy stored in the capacitor in terms of which one? Q comma C. This is energy stored in capacitor in terms of Q and C. We have three forms. This is the first form. Now to get the second form, as per the definition, C is equal to Q by V, Q is equal to CV. Now substitute Q is equal to CV here. Half CV whole square by C, half C square A square by C, that is cancel. C and 1 C cancel. U is equal to half CV square. This is the second form. What is the equation for energy stored in capacitor? U is equal, the second form is half CV square. And the third form, from this you write here, third form is, so second form is half CV square. But already we know the value of C. C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Substitute here, Q by V, 1V cancel, this is U is equal to half QV. So the energy stored in capacitor is expressed in how many forms? Three forms. The first form is half Q square by C. The second form is half CV square. And the third form is half QV. These are the equations for energy stored in capacitor. The symbol is U. U is equal to half Q square by C, half CV square, half QV.